I missed it. What's up, everybody? It's Jeremy here. I'm ocean bound and I'm heading to Nahant again. I wasn't planning on doing this today. I wasn't even looking at the forecast, but all of a sudden at 7:30 in the morning, Haley sends me a text being like, hey, are you hitting it today? And I was like, no, I can't. And then I look and it's like 5-6 foot waves at 10-second periods at Nahant. And I'm like, how can I work this into my schedule? Wind 23 miles an hour southwest, so that's basically a side off, and then a straight east swell. Right now it's 6 foot waves, 10-second periods. So that should be some this should make some pretty clean faces, which I'm very stoked about. There is a huge chance I don't get beyond the whitewater. When it comes to days like today, I know that the whitewater is gonna be intense, and it's really all about, getting up in between the waves and then, just seeing if you can get out through the whitewater, and then once you're out, you stay out. It's a little scary. Man, look at this. There's 1 foot rollers out there. So this wind is gonna be pushing kind of directly into or side into these waves. It should be pretty freaking good. Whew, it's like butterflies in my belly. These waves are big. They're big and spaced out. It's gonna be intense. The waves on the dog side are gnar. Look at this. So like 2 foot swell over on that side coming this way. And on the Long Beach side, all I'm seeing is this cloud of like sea spray of all of the tops of the waves getting blown off. Oh, I just saw the top of a wave over the dunes. This is crazy. This is like legit. Whoa, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go out, but this is intense. Wow, I don't know if would Mike even go out in this? Yeah, there's no kiters out. Shoot. All right, I'm gonna go check it out. All right, I see one lone kite down there. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go out, and I'm gonna go out right here. All right, I got my wetsuit and my booties on. I'm gonna walk down to the beach. The wind's intense right now. The wind is coming almost straight west now. 30 miles an hour. 24 to 36, and it did just kind of recently gust to almost 50. Tide's going out, that's good. There's still one surfer out here. The way the wind's going, this is definitely how I'm gonna get out. Right here, it's actually not that bad. But this is like a tame time right now. Woo. I don't think it's still coming in. I gotta hit it. I'm here. Sometimes there's these bombs way out here. They look just like these, but they're bigger. Look at these. I don't even want to go over there. All right, get the 3.5 ready. Whew. Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this. Whoa! Wow! I'm glad I'm alive! That was sick! Those waves are big! Oh, dude, a couple waves took me. I got caught on the inside of these like rogue big waves. And I can't wait to see the footage. It was crazy. So, I mean, for whatever it's worth, I was scared going out there. I'm not gonna lie. I was scared enough. I'm almost embarrassed to say this, but it's the truth. I was kind of scared enough that I left a goodbye message to my wife and kids saying I love them so much just in case something freaking crazy happened. All in all, it was okay. It was windy. I think that was the thing that scared me the most. And then riding those waves is pretty intense. It was kind of awesome. My friend Jared said, Jeremy's ripping on those waves. Thanks, Jared. I'm so glad someone saw me because it felt freaking awesome. I haven't even looked at my footage yet, but I know that it's not gonna be as crazy as it like totally was. But I'm telling you, tons of waves were well over my head, especially the couple that I got caught on the inside. I was like, where did you come from? By the way, this is my new stuff, Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. It's pretty sick, and it tastes good too. In those conditions, my main priority was safety, right? And so because it was complete offshore winds blowing about 30, gusting to around 40, sometimes over that. So I wasn't riding the big waves. I was staying away from the whitewater. Also, I knew because I was here for so long watching them, there are monsters out there, but they're coming in sets, and so there was easy ways to get out. But if you got stuck on the inside, you're totally screwed. And I did a couple times. So my MO was like, there was this grassy knoll on Little Nahant that I was kind of lining up with. I would go over towards the rocks, turn around, and then like wait for the wave to come in and hit the wave. I wouldn't go way farther because I didn't want to go like into gnar land, closer to like the halfway house. I just kind of wanted to stay where it was safe, and sometimes it would take, sometimes I felt like I could take a bigger one, and sometimes I would just ride the little ones. The headwind was insane. I had to duck down and keep my wing low in order just to stay on the wave, and I couldn't really carve that much because you just had to do that enough just so I could keep the speed up so I could go on. Anyway, I felt like I was conservative out there, but that's what you do when you're alone in 30, 40 mile an hour offshore conditions with overhead waves. Now the surfers are getting here. It's funny that I guess Tim just messaged me from Ocean House and he said that the cam's back up. It's funny, it must have been like within an hour of that cam coming up. Now all of a sudden there's surfers out, but that's what happens when you've got a webcam. No, anyway, I don't know. Maybe the footage sucks. Maybe I can't do anything in this video, but like you can tell, my adrenaline is high. I can't even talk at a normal level. I'm still talking with an outside voice and I'm in my car, but that's how stoked I am. Woo! Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I'm so glad to be alive. I hope you're all doing well out there. I hope you're all feeling alive out there. If you want to see some more of my videos, please consider clicking that subscribe button. Definitely drop a comment if you have any questions or just want to say, hey, I love getting to know you guys. It's been so awesome. It's really what's made it so worth it for me. And with that, seriously, I hope you're all doing well out there. See you guys on the flip, and I wish you all an awesome day. Later!